A huge showdown is coming for Bitcoin, and here's how I'm going to trade it.
Today for the Bitcoin price with DaVinci J15, we will be talking about Bitcoin because right now in the charts we can see that Bitcoin is coming closer and closer and closer to a massive showdown right now. Are we going to break down or are we going to break out? We will be talking about that and we will be sharing with you our specific price targets and our trading setups for Bitcoin right now. And also guys, believe it or not, DaVinci J15 is censored right now on YouTube. We will be talking about that and we will be telling you exactly how we can end this craze right now. But that being said, we really want to come to the most important question of today. DaVinci J15, how are you doing today, my man?
Not so good. I don't have a channel anymore. Well, at least I can't post anymore. And so I'm really sad about that. And it's been a bummer. So, but how are you doing over there in the cloudy Thailand there?
I'm doing very well, thanks for asking. I'm very excited for today's episode, not only because the price of Bitcoin shows us extremely interesting patterns here, but also because this episode will hopefully help you with the help of our community, our family, to get your channel back as it was possible beforehand. But now maybe first of all, let's go straight into the content. Let's pull up the charts and see what your Magic TA has to say right now about this crazy showdown which is gonna go down for Bitcoin.
Sure. Let me just bring up my magical TA wand here, and we'll head off to the never land of Bitcoin prices. And yeah, it's always an exciting day every single day in Bitcoin price land.
Exactly.
You know, I'm going to talk about a little anecdote, but as you can see on the the weekly data here, we're clearly have a upward trend here, and we're touching back this trend. I moved this trend line a little bit down from before, and I've added this new one, this orange one, and we're stuck in this trend. And whether we break higher or break lower is anybody's guess. And right now the bias is a little bit to the downside. So, and if we do come back down and break the bottom here, we could see prices come all the way down to the, unfortunately, if we draw a Fibonacci level, probably all the way to the 61.8, which would not be a shocker. And that's 6,162 at this point in time. Not a shocker if we come all the way down here. Another stopping point is in the 7650 area, where we could probably do a nice W out from here, but if we're already going to break this level, why not come all the way to 61.8 or even to 78.6? It's not that huge of a deal for Bitcoin, and I wouldn't be surprised. I wouldn't put it past it to do it in 1 week straight down to the 78.6 and then make a grinding move back up again. Alrighty, with that said, with that horrible news out said, let's take a look at what the shorter time frame, 4-hour time frame, and zoom in a little bit here. We got a little bit of a trend line here that says that, hey, if we don't break this trend line, we are good to go. Well, actually, to be honest, you can break this trend line on the 4-hour and then pop back up and come back in here. So it's not the end of the world. So where it is the end of the world is right about here. So that is your line in the sand. Man, because like if this thing breaks here, you could say lights out, right? A Bitcoin's heading straight down to that 78.6 or at least the $7,650. All right, but what's that?
Yeah, I just wanted to ask, in case we are breaking here this upward sloping trend line to the downside, 8,801 is the line in the sand. If we break this, we are targeting the 7,650 or even in the worst case, the 6,100, which is in perfect alignment with the 200-week moving average. And now let's get back to you, because you also have the other side of the medal here. In case we are breaking above 9,306, let me take a quick guess. Is the next price target 9,840 here, the upper range of this maybe ascending triangle?
Exactly. So we could, if we break this level up here, which is the $9,306 level, we could see price action break up towards the top of this range here. which would be awesome, of course, but not necessarily a bullish thing in the long term. But still, it's better than going down, right?
Yeah.
And so it would be. I'm not saying that it will finally break the top up here. Still got a lot of room to chop in between this level before it actually decides which direction it wants to finally go. Don't be surprised if we come all the way back up to only the 78.6 before we roll over, which is at the 9,600 level, 675 level, so 9,700 approximately. I wouldn't be surprised, wouldn't put it past it coming up to that level before we roll over and start a new downtrend, if that's what Bitcoin wants to do. Because, hey, you know what? At any moment in time, Bitcoin can tell you, no, bro, this is Bitcoin, and kick your butt
Yes.
as it goes higher. So you got to be careful as a trader, right? Trying to short this thing. You wouldn't want to get caught on the wrong side of a short. So we've got, in my Telegram group, we've got a trade actually down in this area. And if you're interested in knowing what that trade is, because it's like kind of a Hail Mary trade, but when Bitcoin wants to make a move, it usually does one of those Darth Maul candles before it actually makes the moves. So that's why we've got a trade down here. And if you're interested in getting into that trade, you're going to have to join the Pandora's Wallet subscription, and for like 0.012 Bitcoins, you can find out what that trade is and join in on that trade. So right now, nothing here. We have to wait and see, let this thing trade, decide which direction it wants to go before we actually make a trade.
Yeah.
All right. Well, that's it for the TA for today.
But thank you very much. Even though we are a little bit in this indecision mode, we have a clear game plan. We have clear price targets we are eyeing right now. Whether we are breaking into the downside, we are looking out for a severe downtrend. And when we are breaking into the upside, we are looking out for a severe uptrend. So we have a clear game plan, a clear strategy. And yes, I hope everyone appreciates that. If you do, guys, make sure you scroll down. You smash the little like button right now. I'm not in a trade right now, but once we are sitting in a clear direction, I will be going in a trade as well, and I will be updating you about that as well. But also a very, very important point of today is that crazy YouTube purge. And just before we go into it, I want to show you the second most important thing here, because I am getting right now comments on YouTube even asking me, hey Chris, are you on Instagram? I got a crazy message from Chris MMCrypto _ or whatever. This is my only profile, guys. I will leave it for you in the pinned comment. It's only Chris MMCrypto. This is my only Instagram profile. You can check it out here, and I'm posting stuff about like traveling, mindset, entrepreneurship, lifestyle, whatever, like nice thoughts of myself, and of course my everyday life. You can check it out. I leave the link in the pinned comment and follow it. This is the only account here. You can see this one is a fake account, _ Chris MMCrypto 1, official Chris MMCrypto. All of these are fake accounts. It's scam. I will never DM you first. I will never ask for money. I will never provide investment opportunities whatsoever. So guys, please be aware of that. There are a lot of scammers out there impersonating me, and I'm really trying to get this little blue check mark here. I got a lot of articles already in Forbes, Investing.com, CNBC, and so on. So I really hope to get this check mark as soon as possible. But now the most important point of today, and please guys pay close attention, because this YouTube purge is continuing right now, and Da Vinci made a video yesterday warning the people about exchanges and not to have too many funds on exchanges and putting it on your own private keys. So this is probably the least harmful thing ever. However, he got a strike for harmful content. This makes no sense at all, and we need your help, guys. The only reason why all the purges before were only short-handed, like 1 day, 2 days, the only reason why it was good for us was you guys, because you supported us. Many other people lost their channel, or they were silenced for months, and because of you guys, because of your support, this is not possible with us. So we really want to urge you, we really want to ask you kindly to help us here on this. DaVinci posted a tweet. I will leave the tweet also in the pinned comment down below. Go to this Twitter tweet here, click on the link in the pinned comment, scroll down, and you will find this tweet. If you could only like this tweet here and retweet it, that would help a lot. And also leave a comment here with @TeamYouTube. And if you do that, we will make sure that DaVinci will get his channel back, most likely very, very soon, hopefully at least. So yeah, this was my rant on all of this, DaVinci. Maybe you have also some things to share. Sorry for this very long talk here.
Yeah, no problem, no problem. You know what? I'm really disappointed about what's going on here with YouTube and so forth. I really hope that you guys come out and share and like this tweet that I have here. Basically, take a look at this. They even like cleared my, they approved this appeal right here. And this was for a warning because I was just making a joke about Peter Schiff. And then they realized, okay, well, it was just a joke, right? So, but they didn't like remove the warning or made this video available to anybody. Then I've made this appeal and they've rejected this appeal. So this is something new. They've actually rejected this appeal on my channel, and I am SOL. So that means only you guys can actually help me out on this. And even if they did approve the appeal, that looks like they wouldn't do anything anyways, because they didn't like remove this. If this was approved, then the warning should have been removed.
Yes.
So why wasn't it removed? So then I would have just had a warning over here. No, I just got a strike, and I'm not able to post. And if you don't mind, I'd really appreciate you guys heading over here and hitting the like, hitting the retweet, because if you guys don't, right, and I don't get my channel back, I'm gonna really feel like, you know, I don't know, like frustrated about this and not want to do videos anymore, because I'm just right now I feel like I should just give up on this YouTube thing and just walk away and just work on Pandora's wallet and work on trading.
Don't say that, DaVinci. Don't say that. Like, everyone right now, scroll down, click this Twitter post. We don't want DaVinci to go away. DaVinci, we need you here. We need to protect you. So, guys, please, just as always, you have been amazing with that. Please scroll down, click the link, and yeah, like and retweet this tweet, and also put an @TeamYouTube so their notifications are getting spammed and they can finally see what's going on there. And yes, thank you so much also for watching, for smashing the like button on that video, for making noise in the comment section to get this content out there. It's very important for us. It really cheers us up a lot. Thanks for following me also on Instagram to make sure that yeah, my profile gets a little bit more exposure, that all these scams don't have a chance anymore in the future. So thank you so much for all of that. And yeah, maybe towards the end, besides the great Pandora's Wallet news, guys, it's also in the pinned comment down below. Do you have anything to share about whatever, like Pandora's Wallet or something else?
No, other than the fact that we're still working on Pandora's Wallet, and yeah, if you're interested in having me talk about specific cryptocurrencies, I already talked about Nano, and I'm going to be talking about another coin this week, so look out for that. If you're interested in having me discuss a coin and learn about a coin, actually, I won't be able to do that now. I think about it, my channel's down. Oh my God.
No, DaVinci, no problem. We will get that sorted out. With our amazing community, we will get it sorted out. But for sure, guys, go over to his channel and also subscribe. Hit the bell button. You show YouTube also that his channel is relevant. His channel is important for you guys. And that would most certainly help. And yeah, DaVinci, your altcoin review, I saw it with Nano. It was great. So I can't wait for you to get your channel back and to observe the next one. Thank you so much for that. Thank you so much, everyone, for watching. Thanks for being part of our family. And before I wrap it up, I really wanted to ask you, DaVinci, do you have any last words to share before I wrap it up for today?
Yeah, always play from a position of strength and don't get wrecked.
Do not get wrecked, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and we will see each other very soon at the next one of MMCrypto, today or tomorrow, here on our channel, MMCrypto. And as always, guys, as always, bye-bye.